Looking for your next Ayala land investment? Welcome to Albiera, one of the largest mastered planned estate in Central Luzon. Hi everyone, I'm Berhel Torreja, one of the property specialists po of Ayala Land. And today, nandito po tayo sa Albiera, no? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng complete drive tour dahil napaka-exciting po na pupuntahan natin dito sa North, no? In this video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung bakit parami na ng parami ang investors na interesado rito. Dito, no, we'll explore its strategic location, accessibility, existing establishment, lifestyle destination, educational institution, recreational facilities, and syempre, no, yung mga future development pa po na inaasahan natin na magpapataas ng market value appreciation po ng property dito sa Albiera. And make sure po na tapusin nyo tong video na to because ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung sample computation ng newest residential community natin inside Albiera, the Vermont Settings Albiera, kung saan pwede kang magsimula ng investment mo sa Ayala Land for as low as 10,000 per month after 10% spot down payment. But take note po, these offerings po ng discount is pwede po siyang magbago monthly. Kaya maganda po na ma-take advantage natin yung promo while still available. So if you're planning to invest, build your future home, or simply looking for your next property, this video is definitely for you. So samahan niyo po ako, mag-drive tour po tayo sa loob ng Albiera. Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome to my drive tour. Bago tayo makarating sa Albiera, pag-usapan muna natin kung gaano kadali itong puntahan. So, ganito po, For example po, kung manggagaling ka sa Metro Manila or South area tulad ng Las Piñas, Parañaque, Makati, Taguig, Pasay, Cavite, Laguna or Batangas or anywhere po sa South, ito po yung route natin going to Albiera. Use the Skyway, then connect po tayo sa NLEX. Then, punta lang po tayo sa NLEX northbound po, And from NLEX, drive lang po tayo going to Esitex. Then take lang po natin yung Porac exit and follow the sign going po dito sa Albiera. And from Metro Manila, the travel time is approximately 1.5 or 2 hours depending po sa traffic yan. Napakadali lang po ng biyahe dahil halos expressway lang po talaga ang daanan natin going to Albiera. And for example naman po, if you're coming naman po from the North Luzon or North area, for example, taga Pangasinan po kayo, La Union, Tarlac, or even Baguio po, simply take the T-Plex. Connect po tayo sa Esitex southbound. Then, take lang din po natin yung Porac exit. And it's just a few minutes away lang po, is nasa Albiera Estate ka na. Ito po ang isa sa mga pinakamagandang advantage ng Albiera. Napakadali po nitong puntahan, Mapa North or Metro Manila po kayo. So, tara po, samahan nyo ako sa drive tour going to Albiera. Let's go! Welcome to Albiera. Did you know that this estate is approximately 1,800 hectares? And sa laki ng Albiera, it is divided into 4 districts. The Albiera East, Albiera West, Albiera Greenbelt, and Albiera City Center. Ang Albiera East is 440 hectares, ang future mixed-use district ng Albiera, kung saan magkakasama ang residential communities, commercial establishments, schools, recreational attraction at lifestyle destination. Dinisenyo ito para maging convenient, accessible at sustainable, kaya isa ito sa pinaka-exciting areas and future growth ng investment mo dito sa Albiera. And now, let's talk about the Albiera West. Albiera West is 736 hectares. Ang Albiera West naman ang future lifestyle and tourist district ng Albiera. Dahil sa lush greeneries, rolling terrain at mataas ang elevation nito, nakaplano itong magkaroon ng team hotels, wellness center, recreational destination, retail spaces, and premium residences. Perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng modern living na malapit sa kalikasan. And the third district is the Albiera Greenbelt. Ang Albiera Greenbelt ay isang 5 kilometers green corridor na nag-uugnay sa city center, Albiera East at West District ng Albiera. Dito rin nakaplano ang Future de la Salle Botanical Garden na magkakaroon ng team garden, nature trails, and educational facilities. Layunin nitong magsilbing educational at ecological destination kung saan may enjoy ng mga residente at bisita ang iba't ibang species ng halaman, nature trails at environmental learning spaces. Ito rin ang isa sa mga proyektong magpapalakas ng commitment ng Albiera sa sustainability at green living. And the fourth district is the Albiera City Center. This is 479 hectares naman. Ang Albiera City Center ang magiging central business at commercial district ng estate. Dito itatayo ang mga corporate offices, retail and commercial establishments, and dito rin located ang Albiera Country Club, pati mga residential communities, parks, and open spaces. Ito ang magiging puso ng Albiera kung saan pwedeng magtrabaho, mag-shops, mag-unwind sa isang master plan community. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung gaano kalaki ang Albiera, Albiera is about 8 times larger than Bonifacio Global City, or halos 1.5 times ng size ng Makati CBD. Imagine the possibilities, hindi lang ito subdivision, hindi lang ito residential community. Isa itong future city, developed by Ayala Land in partnership with Leonio Land. Albiera is designed to become the next major growth center of Central Luzon. The vision is to create a complete community where people can live, work, study, invest, and enjoy all within one master planned estate. Kung mapapansin nyo, ganito rin yung mga naging success story ng Makati, BGC, and also Nuvali. Ngayon, Albiera naman ang susunod na malaking development ng Ayala Land dito sa North. Isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit mabilis ang development ng isang estate ay dahil sa accessibility. At dito talaga nag-e-excel ang Albiera. Bakit? Within a minute lang ang mga key destinations like Clark International Airport, Clark Global City, New Clark City, Angeles City, San Fernando, and Subic. And also, napapalibutan din ito ng mga major expressway tulad ng NLEX, SCTEX, and TPLEX. Meaning, whether you are an investor, business owner, overseas Filipino worker, or a family looking for your future home, napakadali ng access. And remember, sa real estate, accessibility equals appreciation. Our first stop is the Sandbox Albiera. This outdoor adventure park attracts thousands of visitors every year. Perfect for family bonding, corporate event, school activities, and weekend adventure. Dito, may giant swing, merong zipline, ATV, adventure tower, archery, pwede rin tayo ditong mag-wall climbing, and rope course, at syempre marami pang iba. Hindi lang residente ang pumupunta rito. Tourists visit Albiera because of this sandbox. And now, nandito naman tayo sa Albiera Golf Driving Range. Perfect para sa mga gustong matutong mag-golf o mag-practice ng swing nila. Isa ito sa mga lifestyle amenities na nagbibigay ng world-class experience at dagdag value sa buong Albiera Estate. Our next stop is Miriam College, Albiera. Miriam College, Albiera, one of the country's most respected educational institution. Having school inside the estate means future resident no longer need to travel far. So napakalapit lang natin sa school, no? Education become part of everyday life. And bukod po sa Miriam College, no, we also have the Holy Angel University. Beside Miriam College lang po siya. Another top university in Central Luzon. Imagine living in a community where your children can study just a minute away from your home. That's the beauty of the integrated living. Another exciting features is the Alviera Country Club. This will become one of the premier lifestyle destination inside the estate. Future residents can enjoy the premium sports facilities, swimming pools, fitness amenities, social events, restaurants, and leisure activities. This elevate the overall lifestyle experience of homeowners. Next stop is yung commercial district natin, currently under development. In the future, no, ito yung magiging commercial district natin dito. And soon, magkakaroon dito ng banks, mga coffee shops, restaurant, retail store, clinics, supermarket, convenience store, salon, and spa. Wilson, no, ito yung mga itatayo sa loob ng Alviera. Meaning, everything you need will eventually be available inside the estate. And also, no, next stop natin is yung industrial park. Another major catalyst of property appreciation in the industrial park. Kapag may mga industrial park, ibig sabihin, no, more companies and more jobs to offer. And also, no, pag more jobs, syempre, mas maraming employees. Higher housing demand, and also higher property value appreciation. Ganito ang cycle ng successful master planned estate. Maraming nagtatanong, no, bakit ngayon ang best time para mag-invest dito sa Alviera? Simple lang naman. Alviera is still growing. Marami pang developments ang ginagawa. Kaya habang nasa early stage pa, is mas mababa pa ang mga presyo. And habang dumarami ang infrastructure, schools, commercial establishment, businesses, is tumataas din ang market value ng lugar. Ganito ang eksaktong nangyayari ngayon sa Nuvali. Exactly what happened din in Bonifacio Global City. At syempre, ito rin ang inaasahan nating mangyayari sa Alviera. Right now, we are here at Avida Settings Alviera, one of the existing community na dito sa Alviera, and ganito yung resemblance ni Vermont Settings once matapos na siya. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano ang mga available properties na pwede mong i-invest dito. Let me introduce you to Vermont Settings Alviera. Ito ang newest residential community inside Alviera. The entire community spans approximately 20 hectares in size. And what even more impressive in this land allocation, 45% is dedicated to open spaces, parks, roads, green areas, and generous amenities. While the 55% is allocated for residential lots, meaning hindi crowded ang community, mas marami ang breathing spaces, mas marami ang greenery, mas relaxing ang environment. Isa ito sa signature planning ng Ayala Land. This community was officially launched in 2024 and the target completion date of this Vermont is in the last quarter of 2027. And good news, kahit malapit na ang completion date ng project, we still offer the flexible payment term up to 42 months depending on the payment option you choose. Kaya magandang opportunity po ito na to take advantage ang current promos and discounts habang available pa. Habang papalapit kasi ang project ng completion date, mas mataas din ang possibility na tumaas ang presyo at magbago ang promotional offers. Dito, including sa 45% ng open spaces is yung generous amenities natin na composed of adult and kiddie pool, full-size basketball court, kids play area, function room, walk path, and generous open spaces. Kung first investment mo ito, perfect timing po Dahil Vermont settings is still in the pre-selling stage pa, meaning mas mababa pa ang presyo compared sa future market value. Mas flexible ang payment terms. At ngayon po, we are also offering a huge discount. Ito ang pagkakataon para makapasok habang pre-selling stage pa po yung development natin sa Vermont Settings Albiera. Now, let's talk about the sample computation and lot availability. Dito po sa screen, ipapakita ko yung whole map ng Vermont Settings Nuvali. All with red marks po, yun po yung available lots natin. And yung number naman po is indicated yung lot sizes natin. So, you can choose po your preferred lot. Then, pwede nyo po siyang screenshot, then send nyo sa akin para at least yung gagawin ko pong computation is specific po doon sa lot na napili nyo. Now, let's talk about the available lot sizes here in Vermont. The available lots here in Vermont start from 125 square meter up to 249 square meter. Ang kagandahan po dito is marami pa tayong available option depending on your preference. We have the corner lots, lots near the amenities, lots na malapit sa entrance, and lot facing greeneries and open spaces. So whatever your priority is as a buyer, malaking chance na meron tayong perfect lot for you. Now, let's move on to the sample computation. For this example, we'll be using our 125 square meter lot located at Block 26, Lot 9. One of the best features of this lot is that it's facing northeast, which means you enjoy the morning sun plus the beautiful view of Mount Arayat and the amazing sunrise every day, syempre. Another advantage is its location. It's very close po sa subdivision entrance, and directly in front of your property is our large park and open spaces amenity. Kaya sobrang presko, maaliwalas at perfect po for family, even future resale value, syempre. If you're someone who's planning to start investing in Ayala Land, I think this lot size is a great entry point. Hindi siya masyadong malaki, but spacious enough to build your dream home. For this 125 square meter lot, we currently have two payment options po. Number one is the no spot down payment, and number two is with 10% spot down payment. The good news is both payment option already come with a substantial discount. Una po, discuss muna natin tong no spot down payment. For no spot down payment po, dito hindi nyo po kailangan maglabas ng malaking amount ng cash, but you still enjoy a 5% discount. Because of that discount, the total contract price po becomes 4,822,072 pesos, which already lower to the original selling price po. Great option ito if you're looking for an affordable entry into Ayala Land investment. To reserve this property po, you only need is just 50,000 for the reservation fee. Then 20% po of the total contract price is payable over 36 months, which come out to the approximately 25,400 na lang po per month. Over 36 months po iyon. The remaining 80% will be through bank financing upon turnover naman. With this option po, you already save around 211,000 because of the 5% discount for no spot down payment. Then, pag-usapan naman natin yung second option with 10% spot down payment po. Dito naman po, if priority nyo is to maximize your savings, then this option is definitely worth considering. With the 10% spot down payment, we offer a much bigger po with 15% discount, giving you even a great value for your investment. The total contract price po after the discount is 8,435,989 pesos. Here's the payment breakdown naman for 10% spot down payment. The reservation fee is 50,000, same lang po with no spot. Then the 10% spot down payment is 384,000. Then another 10% po is payable over 42 months na nasa approximately 10,000 na lang po. And the remaining 80% is through bank financing. With this option, you enjoy a 15% discount, giving you a total savings of around 633,000. So sobrang laki po ng discount natin if magta 10% spot down payment po kayo. As you can see, no, if you have an extra fund available today, the 10% spot down payment is the better option because of the significant savings. But if you prefer to keep your cash on hand while still investing, the no spot down payment po is also an excellent choice. At the end of the day naman po, no, it all depends on your financial goals and which payment scheme works best for you po is maganda naman po talaga. And now po, no, let's talk about naman po yung second lot, which is the premium 190 square meter corner lot. This is located at Block 15, Lot 28, one of our premium lots because it's a corner lot near amenities and offer a beautiful views of Zambales mountain ranges. Option 1 po natin is no spot down payment for this 190 square meter, no? The total contract price po of this is 6,876,000 with 5% committed discount po of 302,000. The payment breakdown naman po, you only need is just 50,000 po as reservation fee. No spot down payment po tayo, no need to prepare a large upfront payment. Then 20% po is payable up to 36 months na magbibigay po sa atin 36,000 per month, and 80% po nito is loanable po natin or bank financing. Bakit maganda po itong option? No need for a large cash out to start your investment while enjoying po yung 5% discount while spreading your down payment over 36 months. Ideal po ito for buyers who want to preserve their cash flow while investing in a premium Ayala land property. And if you want to own this premium 190 square meter lot without paying a spot down payment, this is a great option. You can start with just a reservation fee po and enjoy the flexible monthly payment while securing one of the best lots here in Vermont Settings, Albiera. And now, pag-usapan naman po natin yung second option with 10% spot down payment for this 190 square meter premium corner lot. Dito po, no, may 15% discount tayo na nasa 908,000. So, ang total contract price po nito after discount is 6,155,000. So, para naman po sa payment breakdown, you only need is just 50,000 as reservation fee, 10% spot down payment po na nasa around 565,000, and the remaining 10% naman po is payable into 42 months na nasa around 14,000 naman per month, and 80% naman po nito is through bank financing. Dito po, no, why choose this lot? This is a premium 190 square meter corner lot na near sa main amenities facing northwest and southwest. So, beautiful views of the Zambales mountain ranges, wider frontage, better ventilation, and higher long-term investment potential. If you're looking po for a premium property with a scenic view, excellent location, and bigger savings through our 15% discount, this is definitely one of the best lots available here in Vermont Settings, Albiera. Yun po, I hope you enjoy po yung Albiera tour and Vermont tour po natin, no? And if you want to receive po yung full details of Vermont and sample computation po, no, you can message me po on my number. Open po siya for Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage at 0966-205-8031. Tandaan, mag-invest sa tamang lokasyon at tamang developer. Once again, this is Engineer Berhel Torreja, the Estate Blueprint, where your future home starts with a plan.